Hi guys. Melissa wanted me to take a video. Yeah. He just woke up. Like I woke him up. So I gave him a piece of candy to give him a jump start there. That's Grandma Cheryl.
Hey, Owen.
Hi, Dad.
Hey.
How's the drive?
Oh, long. Hi.
That's Grandpa.
Hey, Owen. I love you. He's not sure. I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, what's going on, dude?
Nice boots. You got a cowboy shirt?
Yeah, that's special cowboy shirt that Nana saved for when Grandpa Rick and Grandma Cheryl came up.
Wow.
Wow.
See, look, see, Melissa, it's the cowboy shirt. Oh.
Yeah.
Just get up from the nap. Did you have a good nap? Good. You feel better now? Good.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's great. You have an exciting afternoon.
Hey, why don't you wake up a little bit?
That's okay. You can take your time waking up.
All right. Well, there's the meeting, Melissa. Wish you were here. See you in a week.